how to increase sales results, an important and transcendent question for every professional who deals in the business world. I am José Manuel García-Lomas Allen-Perkins, asking the question of how to increase sales results of our products, ideas and services. We must be very aware of the importance of the sale in the business world, because producing is almost limitless, even in outer space, as is already the case of the International Space Station, 400 kilometers in orbit from the Earth. Capital to manufacture something profitable, surely it will not lack. Production is not a problem. Financing is not a problem. The problem is in our society is selling. Selling goods and services, competing with their peers in a very competitive world of excess supply over demand. Starting from a reality that is that in the sale, the client is the king, and that he who has a client already has a business. Because you could have factories with buildings, land, machinery, financial assets, and more. That if you don't have any customers or the customers are decreasing, it is only a matter of time, very little, before you have nothing. Big and reputable companies worldwide forgot this and disappeared. He who has a friend has a treasure. He who has a client has a business. Because the reason for any business is to make clients, to have clients, increase the number of clients, increase the degree of satisfaction of their client, because he who has a client has a treasure. From all of the above, we can see the motivation behind every person who enters the labor market, because they want to know how to sell, because they want to become good sales professionals. Because if you manage to be a good seller, your professional future will have no limits. And how to know how to sell, or in other words, how to increase sales results, which is the objective of every organization in the business world, well, we are going to develop it. Starting from the fact that the sales result of the seller is mainly a consequence of the performance of the sales professional himself. That's to say, the A for sales performance is the cause of the desired effect of the R for sales performance. If the performance improves, the result will necessarily develop, which is the effect of the cause activity. Now I propose an exercise for each one in its situation. Answer the following question. What factors in the work of the salesperson in our situation influence his result? And I add factors of a personal nature, that is to say, that depends fundamentally on the salesman. Take some time, pause this video if you want, to think about the different answers that you can think of to this question. Then the answer will come and you will be able to compare. Probably all the ideas that we have thought can be included in the following concept. Let's talk about the analysis and evaluation of the sales activity, an analytical and objective system to contemplate the seller's performance. And the question is, what factors in the seller's work influence their results? And the answer, the 3 dimensions and the 10 areas of sales activity. The sales results of a seller is a consequence of his professional performance. In the first analysis of this performance of the seller, we can break it down into 3 dimensions of the sale, according to quantity, direction, and quality. Going deeper into this seller performance analysis, we conclude that these 3 dimensions of the sale can in turn be broken down into specific areas of sales activity. A total of 10 according to dimensions give rise to areas of activity. First dimension, quantity. 1 area of activity, amount of work, time dedicated to the sale. Second dimension, direction. 2 area of activity, customer direction, sales effort distribution according to the types of customers we have. 3 area of activity, product management, sales effort distribution according to the range of products we have. 4 area of activity, work task management, distribution of time according to tasks we have planning. Third dimension, quality. 5 area of activity, product knowledge, mastering the ones we have. 6 area of activity, clients and environment knowledge. Find out what we need to know. 7th area of activity, knowledge of the competition, knowing the competition. 8 area, short-term contact skills, we quickly accepted as a person. 9 area, long-term contact ability, maintain good short-term impressions. And 10 areas, sales, negotiation, and communication techniques. This is represented in a cube. Quantity, direction, and quality defining current results. If the cube is enlarged, R grows, and that is our challenge. How can we make R to grow, meaning our sales result? This is a broad and deep subject, so in the following videos we will continue to delve into how to increase sales results. And okay, if you are interested in our videos, I suggest you give a like and subscribe to our channel in Spanish and in English, as we publish videos every week.